In this tutorial, you'll learn how to plain weave. Plain weave can be used as a base for knots and other designs, as well as build colors. Starting with the first warp yarn, alternate going under and over the yarns. Continue this to the end of the warp yarns. Once you've reached the end, pull the yarn through. Be sure to pinch the end of the final warp yarn and the weft yarn on the corner. This will prevent the yarns from being drawn in too much. Use a loom comb or a fork to beat down the yarns into place. When starting a new row, reverse the pattern of the previous row. Always catch the final warp yarn in order for the pattern in the yarns to remain secure. Be sure to pinch the yarn and secure the weft. You can continue to build the plain weave pattern from here. Just be sure to check the previous row so that you're weaving the right pattern. If you're interested in learning how to make other patterns and textures, then please check out the next video or my website. Thank you for watching and see you next time.